Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? If you're new here, my name's Tobias, and today I have a quick review of this portable GoPro battery charging case. This is the box for it right here. It's by the brand ZGCINE or ZGCINE. I don't really know how to say that name, but it goes for $55 on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and put this Amazon link down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. So let's go ahead and start off by doing an unboxing. Then I'll tell you guys a little bit about it and I'll try it out, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Alright guys, so inside the box it comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable, and it also comes with a USB-C cable, and of course the box itself, the charging case. And inside the charging case, there are slots to charge 3 GoPro batteries. And on the inside lid of the case, there are 4 slots to hold micro SD cards, which is pretty cool. So I went ahead and charged this thing up. I'm not exactly sure how long it took to charge. I pretty much left this thing alone for about an hour, and when I came back, it was fully charged. If you actually push the power button on the front, the 4 lights will turn on, and that shows you that the battery is fully charged. If you double click the power button, that will turn it off. And by the way guys, this is compatible with GoPros 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. And you can put 3 GoPro batteries in here at any given time. There are these GoPro battery mounting slot things that come inside the box, which I believe some GoPro batteries will require to fit inside this box properly. The GoPro I have is the GoPro Hero 10, and I can put that battery straight inside this charging case. I don't need to use one of these mounting things. So I'm just going to test this out with my one GoPro battery. I'm looking at it right now. My GoPro battery is at 79%. So it's like almost fully charged. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take the battery out of here. Okay. All right, so here's the battery for my GoPro Hero 10, and I'm going to just go ahead and put it inside the charging case. So it goes in this way. Here we go. Very simple, guys. It automatically turned on, and then let me show you this really quick, guys. If you see right there, there is a red light on. That means that I put my GoPro battery into the first slot, and when that light is red, that means that it is charging. It's currently charging, and once that light goes out, that will mean that it's fully charged. So watch this. If I go ahead and open it up and I take my battery out, that light turns off. I put it back in, the light turns on again. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that alone for a while, and I'll just check to make sure that it fully charged. It only needs to charge up about 20%, so let's just see how long that takes. I'm gonna go ahead and start my stopwatch right now. Okay, I just started my stopwatch. And while we're waiting, I'm just going to go ahead and go over some of the other important facts that I think people might want to know. So when this charging case is fully charged, it can fully charge a GoPro Hero 10 or 9 battery a total of 4 times. And for the GoPro Hero 8, 7, 6, and 5, it can charge one of those batteries a total of 6 times. So when this box is fully charged, you actually get quite a few charges out of it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wait until this red light turns off. I'll go ahead and take the battery out of the case, and I'll put it back inside my GoPro, and we'll just double check to make sure that it actually did fully charge the battery. Okay guys, so I'm back, and it actually took quite a while for this to charge up my one GoPro battery 20% from like roughly 80% battery to 100% battery. It took just over an hour, roughly an hour and 10 minutes. So this is by no means a fast charger. It does charge kind of slow, but kind of the way that I see it is, you know, GoPros, they eat up battery quick. It's really amazing how quickly you can use up a GoPro battery. So if you are someone who does shoot a lot of video with your GoPro and you have several GoPro batteries, kind of the way that I see it is that if you're not using them and your battery batteries are dead, I think it's better that they be, in this case, charging than just sitting in your backpack or your pocket doing nothing. Because after you go through a couple batteries, that'll probably have given one battery enough time to fully charge. So I do think that this is a pretty cool product. I could definitely see myself taking this places if I did have more GoPro batteries and if I did shoot more video on my GoPro. So yeah, in the end guys, I think it's pretty cool. The only thing that I kind of wish is that I wish that it did charge quicker. And there's really like not too much else to say about this thing. It's a pretty, you know, that's what it does, you know? So anyways, guys, I hope this review helped you out. Once again, I will have the Amazon link for this down in the description below in case you would like to check that out. And if this video did help you out, or if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.